What if you could show your client 3 completely different design directions the same day they brief you? Not mood boards, not wireframes, real designs right inside Figma. This is now possible thanks to Claude Code, and a process I've been testing for the past few weeks that completely changed how I run client projects. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set it up, the secret file that makes it all work, and the full workflow from client brief to delivered screens. Okay, so the very first step is to make sure that your Figma MCP is connected to your Claude Code. It can be a Claude Code inside Cursor, like I have right now. By the way, if you want to have my full install setup, you can check my very first YouTube video. Or it can be Claude Code right inside the desktop app, if you prefer. And what you want to do is to open your terminal and run this exact command, as you can see on the screen. Then click Enter. And it will basically install the Figma MCP. In my case, it's already installed. And then what you want to do is to go to the chat/MCP, like this. And you want to make sure that the Figma MCP is connected. If it's your first time that you install the MCP, you will have to basically authenticate to your Figma account. And after that, you're ready to go. Now, if we take a look at this official blog post by Figma, we can see all the use cases where we can use this Figma MCP. So for example, we can generate Figma design, we can get variables from Figma files, but we can also generate some diagrams on FigJams and way more. So the possibilities are really endless. Now let me show you how I start every design project. So the very first thing I do is to open a new Claude Code project, and once it's done, I take this empty file and I just drag it inside the new project. It's a markdown file, which is essentially a brief in which we'll include all the details about the project, about the target audience of the client. So there are actually 2 ways of filling in this brief. The first one is to click on preview and just fill in everything by yourself. Or the second option, which is way more simple, is to go to Claude Code in the chat and write read, mention the markdown file, and ask me question one by one to fill it in. Start with the basics. And once you run this command, essentially Claude Code will read the markdown file first of all and will then interview you. And if you use Whisperflow, for example, you can just say, the client name is John Doe and I'm just redesigning his website. Click enter. And of course, if you already have a brief, you just need to upload it over here and ask Claude Code to read it. And by the way, if you want my full AI design brief, you get the first link in the video description to download it. So now let me just answer to all the questions Claude Code is asking me and I'll get back to you. Awesome, so we now have all the information. We are going to build a dashboard for a fintech company. And now we can move on to the second step. And this is where it gets really crazy, you'll see. The first step is to go to an inspiration website, like for example, Pinterest, Dribbble, Behance, whatever. And you want to go and find some design inspiration for your specific project. So here I'm just going to type fintech dashboard. And I'm just going to go over it and download the inspirations I really like. Okay, perfect. I selected 3 design inspiration. I'm going to drop it over here. So we have this one in dark mode. Then we have the second one over here, which is a bit blurry, but it's fine. And we finally have this one, which is extremely original and unique. So let's see what we can do with it. So now the next step is to ask to Claude Code, generate a Figma design based on the reference. And you want to mention the first one, which is this one, let's say. Now let's just click enter. And now we can just open 2 new Claude Code window, copy the same prompt, paste it over here, and mention the second reference. We can also mention the second file, so use the brief. Like this, click enter. Copy the same prompt over here. Mention the last reference, use the brief. Mention the brief as well. Click enter. And now we have our 3 Claude Code working and generating our Figma designs. Okay, so the first one is already ready. You can see that it's sending to Figma. So the way it works, it's very simple. Essentially, it creates the HTML, and once the HTML file is generated, it pushes it to Figma. And as you can see, it's completely editable. It's using auto layout, and the result is pretty sick. So now we can just wait until the two other designs are generated and we'll compare it side by side. All right, so now the concepts are ready. It literally took maybe 3 minutes maximum. And this is what we got. Can you tell it's made by AI? So at this point, I'm sending the directions to my client and collecting the feedback. And this is where most designers lose time because the tools out there like Notion, Asana, Trello are not made for us. Everything is cluttered and you end up spending more time managing the projects instead of designing. So this is why I built Stage, a project management tool for designers. It's clean, minimal, you open it and you see everything, your projects, your tasks, and even shareable client portals. We just launched with a very limited special offer, so if you want to learn more about the tool, check the link in the video description. Now the next step is just to share the project to your clients and he can just leave comments, decide which design direction is the best. And once you got it, you can just move on to generating the other screens. Let's say he chose this visual direction. I want to go back to Claude and say, awesome, now I want you to generate the post page screen. Make sure to respect the exact same visual direction as the first screen. And perfect, we now have our second screen, which is ready. So as you can see, we have a lot of improvements to make on this one. But again, the design is so unique and it has respected the visual direction we wanted. So yeah, I'm pretty amazed. Now we can just refine the design to make it look better, fix the issues. Also guys, one thing I really recommend you to do is to create the architecture of the product, whether that's a website or a dashboard, product design, whatever. Create that thanks to Claude Code and then ask him to generate an MD file. And before generating any design, you need to mention this exact architecture file because otherwise it will just create a design which is not related to what you want and what the client wants. So in this video, I've covered only the design side, but obviously you have a lot of work in the research, the strategy, and creating the architecture of the product. But once it's done, I mean, designing is not a problem anymore. Thanks to tools like Claude Code and the Figma MCP, as I just showed you, it's very straightforward. Just make sure to have good design references as well. And you can have some really, really good designs in only a few minutes. Alright, that's it for today's video. I hope it gave you some ideas on how to improve your workflow. And also if you want a tutorial on how to take this Figma design and create a full website or a full product thanks to it, just let me know in the comments. And yeah, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.